Hey guys, it's Jasma, and today we're going to make a super fun and easy pasta salad. This can be made in less than 10 minutes. It can be eaten as a salad, an appetizer, or even brought to school as a lunch. There are tons of different healthy ingredients in here that create really vibrant colors as well, so it's fun to make, fun to eat. So first we're going to process the pasta. Today I have some colorful pasta that are all dyed with natural coloring, such as turmeric powder, powdered spinach, beetroot powder, and carrots. These are all natural. It is a very healthy pasta, and I found this at Bulk Barn, so it was sold in bulk. So first we're just going to boil this in some boiling water. Into a pot of boiling water, add about a teaspoon of salt. Then pour in the pasta and let it cook for around 6 minutes without the lid on, until when you bite into it, it should not be white in the center and it should be soft throughout. Then immediately pour in the corn and the shrimp. Stir it around and let it cook for around a minute or until the shrimp has turned color. Take it off of the heat and strain it and run it under some cold tap water for it to cool down. And make sure you drain out all of the excess water. Meanwhile, we're going to cook the egg. Crack an egg into a bowl and whisk it up until loose. And into a frying pan, spray in some cooking spray so that the egg doesn't stick. This allows you to use a little bit less oil. Once the pan is hot, pour in the egg and flip it over. While the pasta is draining, we're going to process the rest of our ingredients. So I have a red apple, an avocado, cucumber, and some green onions as well. So I'm going to use about a half of this red apple and I'm just going to chop it up into big chunks. I'm also using an avocado. I'm going to cut about a quarter of this, but you can use as much or as little as you want, and this goes the same for the rest of the ingredients as well. Alright, all of our ingredients are ready, so now we can put it together. I'm just going to drain this again to make sure there's no water. And to this, add in the cucumber, apple, eggs, avocado, and green onion. And you can also choose to use other herbs such as mint, parsley, or chives. For some simple seasoning, I'm going to use lemon juice, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Since this is a very colorful pasta, I don't want to ruin that with any darker seasonings or sauces, such as soy sauce, vinegar, or oyster sauce. So I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice to use as vinegar. You can do as much or as little as you like. Put your hand under it to catch any seeds. I like to squeeze this directly over the apples so that it doesn't brown as much. And just toss it all together. That's how you make this pasta salad. Super fun to make with lots of ingredients and flavors, very delicious and healthy, and it would be perfect to bring to lunch for work or for school or just be eaten all year round. So I really hope you could try these out. If you want to see other lunchbox ideas, I will leave a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye!